Good morning. Welcome to Canva Community Lab. Today is all about creating, learning, and enjoying the power of design together. Canva is on a mission to empower the world to design, and today, Canva Community Lab is happening in Lagos, and we are here to showcase our creativity and enjoy the power of design.
My name is Nini Chantal. My name is Amolola Usunde.
My name is Oreluwa Elizabeth.
My name is Munira Tabola.
My name is Phillips.
My name is Eloho. I was able to meet with two persons at a time.
My name is Abdulwarid. I was able to meet Mr. Philip.
I'm Udeme by name.
My name is Bolatitu.
My name is Martin.
My name is Nuhu.
My name is Marvelous.
My name is Farida.
My name is Chisom Sandra.
Good morning. My name is Lukman Odwan Bakari.
Everyone, my name is Priska. I'm new to everything here.
With web design, for email marketing, to design PDF, to design logo, to design images, for video, for it to erase image.
You can use Canva to design flyers, social media posts. You can use it to even design front page for books. So for media, I use it for creating, editing videos, for thumbnails, even for editing pictures.
Canva as a virtual assistant to create social media posts for my clients. I also create templates and give to online coaches so that they can just replicate the process instead of starting afresh to design.
Learning I use for flyers, social media posts, and email. And I've told recently that Canva can be used for coding, although I've not tried it, but I'm going to explore it.
It's a software development company, and I'm the graphic designer there. I use Canva to create animations, like stick images, reading from stick images.
I know you're watching customer experience. Well, for Canva, I use Canva to for my sheets. I don't know if many people have explored that option, but you can use Canva for your sheets, to track certain things like you will do on other CRM softwares.